Hi, my name is Abhinav Ganesh Wadekar. I am from Vasco. I'm a passionate triathlete, and yeah, the experience over here was really amazing. Like I did not expect to even to participate today. Waived off my fees, and he helped me to participate, and I think I did justice. I did perform good.
I am Rear Admiral Philippos, Flag Officer, Goa area. Thank you very much for attending this highly successful duathlon, which was conducted at INS Hansa along the Indian Navy, along with 1930 and Pro Bike, conducted this first ever event in Goa, which comprised 5 kilometers running, 20 kilometers cycling, and 2.5 kilometers of running.
My name is Clevin Carvalho and I am from Quebec. Today it was a great duathlon for me. It was my first duathlon. Okay, and the pro bikes have organized it very well. All bike setup, everything they provided us for on the run course and even on the bike course. And I am very happy that I secured a place also in this competition.
For the very first time in INS Hansa, and the participation is not only from the naval community also, but from the civilian counterparts also. As my commanding officer said, we had total almost 175 participants, out of which 70 were civilian participants and rest were all naval personnel. We had flagged off at around 6:30 in the morning, and just almost 5 minutes ago we have completed the complete race. All the participants have successfully completed the event.